Hi and welcome to Yaha Yoga. Yaha Yoga is a place and a platform that share with you the short yoga practice videos. You can add a daily yoga practice in your daily life here at Yaha Yoga's YouTube channel. Daily short yoga practice can be very rewarding during a long period of time. 10 or 15 minutes is almost nothing, but can give you a very valuable gift to the mind and body by practicing yoga. I'm so happy to want to share with you my yoga experience here at Yaha Yoga. My name is Shailene and I started practicing yoga when I was 16 years old. I have been inspired by my mother to practicing yoga in 2006. Then yoga and meditation have been a big part of my life until now. Yoga has given me stability, flexibility, and strength in both the body and mind. And I've experienced harmony and peace at a very young age. And this is the reason that I would like to teach yoga to others. Life goes so fast, and we all have right to live in harmony, peace, and have experience of the deepest happiness in this busy and stressful world. And it can happen by practicing yoga and meditation.